Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's SnappedBySydd, and in today's video we are going to be doing a cat-eyed swirl gel X set on my mom. So to start out, as always, I soaked off her nails and trimmed them up into the way that she liked, and I'm just going in with the medium sanding band, and I'm just going to rough up her natural nail to improve the adhesion of the gel X so that they won't pop off. If you guys are interested, I have some other gel X videos up on my channel. Yeah. So if you guys are new to it, or you guys are trying to see more about the process and whatnot, definitely go and check out my channel. Okay, so now I'm just spraying her hands with alcohol, and then I'm going to go in and I'm going to size her nails. So in this video I'm using the Apres natural square medium nails. I believe that's what these are. And so once I'm done sizing her nails, then I'm going to start prepping the nail. So I go in with my no lift primer. This is my favorite primer. I use it when I do acrylics, and so I just stuck with it using the same products that I use when I do acrylics with my gel X. Apres does have their own whole system and everything, which I do have. I just prefer using the products that I know are not gonna lift or whatever, so I stick to the products that I know. But I just do one layer on both hands, and then I go back in with the OPI Bond Aid, and this is a another primer dehydrator kind of thing. But yeah, I just go in with 2 layers of this on each hand. You want to make sure it dries in between each layer, and then we're going to move on to applying the nails. So once I'm done with prepping the nail, I'm going to go in with my Apres Extend Gel. This is my favorite gel that I've used so far with the soft gels, but I go in with a thin layer on the natural nail, and then I apply a little bit to the well of the gel X nail, and then I cure it. As you guys can see, I have some kind of light off in the corner. It's a gooseneck light, like a UV LED gooseneck light, which I highly recommend if you're doing gel X nails, because I used to have a handheld light that I would have to place the nail and then go grab the light and then bring the light back in. Sometimes the nails would be crooked. It just was really difficult trying to maneuver back and forth between the light and the nail without it moving. So I really like the gooseneck light, and I highly recommend it for anybody who's interested in doing gel X. I am going to be doing a video soon on all of my favorite products so far when doing the soft gel extension, so stay tuned for that video. So now that I'm all done, I do cure in a regular lamp for 90 seconds on each hand to ensure that the gel is completely cured. And now I'm going to go in with this Cateye polish I got off Amazon, and then my Beetles top and base coat. Everything that I'm using will be linked down below if you guys are interested, so check down there if you guys are curious where I got anything. But I'm just going to be starting out with my base coat. I'm going to do a layer on each nail, and then I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds, and then I'll move in with my Cateye polish. And just for a quick disclaimer, please excuse my voice, because I am actually sick right now, and I'm trying to get over this cold while I'm doing these voiceovers, so I know my voice is kind of weird and shaky and kind of changing throughout the video. And 2, also please excuse that the camera is shaky here and there in the video. I'm still learning how to set up my camera properly and everything, so please work with me. I promise you guys it'll be getting better in my future videos. But now I'm gonna go in with the Cateye polish and with a nude color from Madame Glam called XOXO, which is my favorite, most versatile nude that I have in my collection. I recommend it for everybody. It's my favorite color. I carry like 3 bottles on hand at all times. But I'm just taking this black color that comes in the kit of the Cateye polish. I believe it's color 900. So you do a layer of black and then you go in with the Cateye polish on top. You don't necessarily have to do that depending on the look that you want, but for the look that I was going for, I wanted to do the black on the bottom, so I did it in this video. But yeah, I love the Cateye polish personally. Like, I think it's really cool. As you can see, I had it on my nails at the same time. My mom had it. Like, a bunch of my clients have had it since this video, and I plan on getting a bunch of different colors, so you will probably be seeing a lot of Cateye on my channel because I think it's like the coolest polish that is out there personally. But yeah, when you guys see me going in with this brush, I just dip this little brush in a little bit of acetone to clean up the nails when I make like mistakes, or I put a little bit of polish on the skin because I'm not perfect, so it happens sometimes. And then this is the XOXO by Madame Glam that I was talking about, the polish. Like I said, it's a beautiful color. It is very sheer, so you do have to do like 2 coats to get it like nice and opaque, but it's the perfect color for like a natural nail color. So I do it in all of like my French tips, any looks where I need nude polish, I use XOXO. No matter the skin color, I've used it on light people, I've used it on dark people. Me and my mom are more like medium skin tone, so I use it on us. We have no issue. I love it. But now I'm going to be going in with the gel polish. I believe this one is 003, and the purple, the brighter purple, is 004, I believe. But I'm going to do something ombre, so I went in with one color on one side and then the other color on the other side, and went straight down the middle. And then you guys see me going in with my magnet and I guess like moving the polish. I don't know what you call that. But yeah, so I do that on all the nails. Alright, so now I'm going to be going in with my Swirl Nail. Sorry for the position of this. I know like I'm not in like the frame really, but you can still see what I'm doing. I just went in and basically drew an S, and I filled it in with the black, and I did 2 coats of the black, and then I'm going to go over it with the Cateye polish. So I wanted it to be like a swirl nail. I really like the swirl nails right now. Those are cute. So I was trying to kind of do something along that line. But yeah, you just go in, draw S, fill up like the entire space with black, clean up the areas that you mess up, and then you can move on. So instead of doing the ombre on the swirl nails, I just decided to go in on one of the nails and do the dark purple, and then on the other nail doing the light purple, and then I do the same thing with the magnet and everything here and move on. So to make the look a little bit more fun, we decided to add some crystals. So for my crystals, I go in with the IBD hard gel. I put down the base coat and cure the nail, and then I put down a little bit of top coat, and then I go in with the IBD. I don't know why I can't say that, but I just go along where I want the stones to be placed. I don't do it over the full nail. So as you can see, I'm just putting the stones along the S, and I did this on both of the swirl nails. So yeah, and then I go in and I put some top coat like around the stones, not over the stones, just around, so that you don't mess with the shine, the glitter of the stones. And then you cure and you're all done. And if you are curious, I get my Swarovski crystals from Blue Street Crystals. It's a website. They do have like discount codes and stuff, but that's my favorite place to get the crystals. That's the only place I've gotten them. They have good prices. You can buy them in bulk, which is what I did. And yeah, I love their crystals. They're really good quality and everything. So that's where I get mine. You can find them on like social media, Facebook, Instagram, all those things. So if you guys are interested in seeing where I get my crystals, go check them out because they are pretty good. And this is the final look, guys. I am so in love with this look. I absolutely love it. We had so much fun doing this set. But make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my future videos. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.